Hey guys, this is Par64 Guy. I know I haven't posted videos recently, but I've been busy with a rather big project. I'm not going to do a unique video on it just because I've kind of covered the same content in Water Wars episodes 1, 2, and 3. What I've done is I've taken that section that I did in the video and I'm expanding it into a full patio. And so it's more of the same. It's, I'll show you here, it's the removing of the soil, getting grade right, and then it's putting in the sand, screeding it, tamping it, and then putting the paver base and the pavers down. So it's more of that, but as you can see, just a little bit bigger scale. So it's like a 16 by like 28 or something like that, so it's good size, and with the temperatures being in the 80s and 90s, it's, you know, work a little, go inside, work a little, go inside, just to avoid heat stroke and drinking lots of water. One of the things that is special kind of about this too is you'll see behind me is the air conditioner. That actually had to be disconnected and moved out of the way so that I could remove the soil under it and get it back down to grade, because this whole area was up probably about 7 or 8 inches. If you remember in Water Wars episode 1, I talked about how the grade of this area was pretty bad. It was high down to the back door, which was just, you know, stupid in my opinion, because why lead the water to the back door? So this is now, the patio is pitched 1/8 inch per foot all the way along the edge of the house, and that way it will shed water towards the driveway, which is where it wants to go. I want to get it away from the house and you know, at a gentle pace. So that's what I've been working on, and it's coming along. I think it looks pretty good. And so once I get this done, I will post a few more videos. I do have one video I'm going to try and wrap up. It's a product review. I'll get that done and get that posted, and then I'll work on some additional project videos once this is done. So till then, thank you very much for watching. Be sure to subscribe, check out my other videos, and I'll see you later. It's Par64 Guy.